Maintenance is all about keeping the bike clean and to keep it operating at an optimal level. We've searched through the options to narrow down the ranks to the 5 top bike toolkits available. What's up, guys? In this video I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best bike toolkits in the market which are the best for you. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular user use. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. By Canpro Complete Bike Repair Toolkit. This kit is the best bike toolkit on the market. It has a little bit of everything plus an additional torque wrench that is typically not included in your kits. This kit comes in a very nice toolbox that has a carrying handle and trays to keep you organized. In this kit from Bikehand, you will find everything you need including hex wrenches, brackets and bracket tools, chain wear indicator, crank wrench, open-end wrenches, bearing grease, chain cleaner, nut wrench, chain tools, spoke wrench, and so much more. This kit truly has a little bit of everything, particularly the most common tools that are needed for bike care, cleaning, and maintenance. Also, this is a great kit to have at home. It's probably too bulky to take out on the road with you. Bikehand is known for producing premium bicycle parts and accessories. All of their products are designed by bicycle experts, and you simply can't go wrong with this wide selection of options. There are even several specialty tools in the kit at an affordable price. Number 2. Park Tool Advanced Mechanic Toolkit. This kit from Park Tools is perhaps the best bicycle tool set that is designed with high-quality tools. Also, this kit is complete with a well-made toolbox kit. However, this toolbox is a bit more expensive than many options on the market, but the products are superior, and it has everything you need with 36 varying tools. It is packed with several essentials and specialty tools, including bracket tools, bearing cups, bottle opener, chain checker, chaining tools, cone wrenches, hex wrenches, screwdrivers, spoke wrenches, and cleaning supplies. The picture attached to this listing doesn't do the kit justice. It truly has everything you might need for maintenance and repairs for your bike. This toolkit works best for newer and current models of bikes. The recommendations associated refer to them being most compatible with bikes that are less than 10 years old. The kit will probably work some with older bikes, but you may find it's not as useful if you are using an aged bicycle. Number 3. Lumen Trail Bike Repair Toolkit. This kit from Lumen Trail has some of the best bike tools you can ask for at a bargain price. It's lightweight and compact, so you can even pack it and take it on bike trips with you if you need to. Every tool and part has its own location within the case, and everything is well organized and snaps into place. This toolkit looks compact, but it still has everything you need. You can expect to find things like a pedal wrench, headset wrench, open-ended wrench, cone wrenches, chain tools, hex wrench, hex keys, screwdriver, tire levers, tire tube repair, and a tire pressure gauge. This 42-piece set is all-inclusive and covers every potential need that you might come across on the road. The kit can work with mountain bikes, road bikes, BMX bikes, fat tire bicycles, and nearly every other kind of bike you might use. This set is well made with carbon steel and high-quality plastic put together for quality tools that will last. It's incredibly budget-friendly to be so well stocked. This is the perfect portable starter bike toolkit. The only downfall is that the freewheel tool appears not to fit well and may need adjustments. Number 4. Bikehand 17-piece Bicycle Repair Toolkit. If you're looking for the best portable bike toolkit, then this is the one for you. This is a small and affordable kit that is perfect to take on the go. You simply can't go wrong with a compact repair kit. This kit is designed for maintenance and repairs primarily, which is why it's a great option for portability. The kit comes with a 2-year warranty, so you know it's made with quality products that will help you out when you're in a pinch. This kit includes the tools for basic repairs as well as a torque wrench. Some of the tools you will find are chain tools, nut wrench, screwdrivers, brackets, pedal wrench, cone spanner, crank tools, spoke wrench, and more. The hard case is durable and designed to last. You get a selection of tools that will help you out in a time of need. The kit is lightweight, which backs up the classification of being a great travel case. You can't beat this affordable and portable bike repair kit. Number 5. Bicycle Repair All-in-One Kit. Be prepared at all times with the best bike maintenance kit in a simple folding case. This kit has it all in a small compact case that fits everything you need. In fact, this case is incredibly unique with a 1/6-in-1 tool that has an Allen wrench, screwdriver, socket wrench, and spoke key all wrapped into one. This 8-piece kit actually qualifies as 24 pieces if you take the 1/6-in-1 tool into consideration. Aside from the functionality of that tool, you will also find a tube repair kit, wrench, thread crank, bike pump, tire levers, and a crank tool. Everything secures and zips into this 9 by 2 by 4 inch case that is black and orange and incredibly lightweight. It can easily slide into a bag, but it also has straps so you can just strap it onto your bike bars as well and always have it with you. This is your essential emergency repair kit that you can always have with you on the go. It has everything you might need for basic repairs on the go. It's optimal for mountain bikes and long rides but could essentially be used for any type of bike.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily. So do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching.